So my husband got the video camera put up. So it doesn't get this far corner over here, but it gets all of this. So that's nice. Now we just have to work out the other part of it. It's working and it's registering. I'll go upstairs and show you the video of the room. So this is it, but we still have some work to do. This is it recording, but there's still some work. There's lines in it and it's not getting, so we're going to move it a little bit. But hey, look at that. There is a camera in the bird room. Yay, thank you to my wonderful husband. So we got it set up and there is the final take. And it would be live on the internet, so that would be cool. But you'd have to have the what is it, the web address?
Yeah.
To watch it. But look at that. That is cool. We're going to buy a different kind of camera, one that moves around maybe and zooms in, but it gets most of the room. It doesn't get all of it, but it does get most of it, so I'm really happy about that. So here is the camera with night vision. I moved the cage kind of over where I can see it. It's very interesting. So they're sleeping. It was funny watching the lovebirds because they were actually moving around and playing. Looks like everybody's sleeping now. So the lovebirds were playing in the wheel. That was cute, watching lovebirds playing the wheel. And this was after the lights were out. So this is ultraviolet. No, this is what is this? Not ultraviolet, the infrared. Infrared, and birds are not supposed to be able to see in infrared. So, but there's the bird sleeping. But it's really neat. We're gonna get a better camera because this camera takes it takes 12 pictures per second. Is that what you said?
15.
15 pictures per second, and we need one that does what?
At least 24, 30 is preferable.
30 frames per second. So that would be movie quality. So we are going to get a different camera. So that is so neat. Anyway, it's really cool. I wanted to share it with y'all. Thanks for being here. Hopefully we'll just get it better and better.